Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. All of a sudden your brake lights are not working. What could be the reason and how you can fix it in Easy Step, that I'm going to share with you. I open the brake lights, all the bulbs are perfectly fine. Then I troubleshoot the problem that my fuse was blown. If your brake lights are not functioning, before you open the brake light assembly and try to change the bulb, the best thing to do, open your hood and check the fuse box. I'm going to open the hood. I'll open the latches. We'll open the hood. Now I'm going to show to you the fuse box. The fuse box is located at two places. One is in your main compartment under the hood. The second one I'm going to show to you. The first one is located under the hood. You just pull it up straight and it opens up. These are the hook which goes inside and you just pull it out. This is the main fuse. Then you open the door. On the driver's side, you will see right here. So as I've shown you that you can find the spare fuse on your driver's side. I looked into my other HUMMER, there was no fuse. So I opened this one. There are 4 extra fuse, 3 amp, 10, 15, 20 and 25. That's what I was looking for. And these are really tiny fuse. These are the tabs we're going to put it in and then we're just going to press it in. Perfect. In my case, my HUMMER H2 had the lights stop working. Upon checking the bulbs, they were perfectly fine. So I came to check on the fuse box, the fuse was blown. And the reason I shared with you another fuse panel up here, only reason because when you get a new HUMMER from a factory, they are equipped with extra fuses. In case if your fuse burned out, you have some extra fuses are available. In my case, there was no fuses. When we open the cover of fuse box, it has a chart which displays the fuse number, the fuse amp, and what is for. So when I checked the brake light fuse, it was blown and I did not have extra one. And that's one of the reasons I shared the tip with you, that you can open the second fuse panel and that one has extra fuses. So I pulled one off from extra fuse and the 25 amp I replaced it. And now my brake lights are functioning like before. So I'm going to share with you in case if you get in a situation where your brake lights all of a sudden stop working, please check this one. Let's get in close in. These all fuses are here and this is the box. So if we look at this fuse up here, which is says stop LP, that's a stop lamp and it is 25 amp. And if we look at the location itself, which is this one, in order to take this one off, you need the fuse puller. If you don't have it, then you can use a needle nose plier or any other plier. So upon pulling it out, if I can show it to you, if you see the fuse is burned right in the middle. So that was the fuse was causing a problem. Each fuse has a written on it. So this is the 25 amp. So this is the one I pulled it out and I replaced with the good one. Now my lights started working and I'm going to put the cover back on. That's how it's easy to fix your brake lights or tail lights are not working anymore. And it was a quick and easy fix. And I shared with you some tips and hopefully that's going to help you out in case if you got in this situation like mine. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.